what's good and what works is when safety is from the top down and the bottom up, meaning it starts with the CEO or the plant manager or whoever is in charge there. They have to talk the talk. And what works really well is anytime you see the CEO send out a message to everybody or they're giving some sort of a presentation, if they start with the safety metrics, even before production, then you know you're at a company where if their safety isn't great, it's going to be improving. And if their safety is good, you know it's going to maintain. It's like very predictable. So I really appreciate seeing that. And I know it works. And then the thing is, talk the talk and walk the walk. So if that CEO or that plant manager is out in the workplace, they have to be demonstrating safety in everything they do. And everybody makes mistakes, but if they are to make a mistake and do something unsafe, to apologize or to learn how to do it the right way and show that they can correct course has a huge impact on people. So I see that as a really critical key sign of a good organization. And then, of course, it has to go down from the CEO, everybody to the first line managers. And when that new employee comes in, they need to be told and it needs to be demonstrated that safety is a value at this company. And if that is the sort of communication that's happening, you know it's going to be good. When you know it's going to be bad is when the safety leader is the only one that's talking about safety. And that is like, when I see that, I know two things. One, they probably have a bad safety record. And if they have a good one, it's because they're hiding something or it's on its way downhill.
Right.
And two, they're going to be seeing a lot of turnover in their safety pros because usually it's a position that is too much pressure on one person to try and single-handedly change safety. So that's what I see as the key of being a good safety culture, is that communication from people who aren't in safety and talking the talk and walking the walk.